Hey there, Amazon shoppers. It's Amy with 911 Studios, and today we are talking about our favorite shoes on all of Amazon, specifically for women. These are the ASICS Gel Venture 7s. You guys, these are going to be a great running shoe, a great shoe for anyone that is on their feet all day. If you work in a warehouse, if you are a nurse, if you work standing up, checking out groceries or wherever it might be, this is going to be a great shoe for you. If you look at the comments, they are full of people that just love this shoe. I never hear someone say that they just have one pair of the Gel Venture 7. They get this shoe over and over and over again. That's because it just works and it's comfortable. You're gonna find that you're gonna have that rubber bottom that gives you a lot of traction. You're not gonna slip, you're not gonna be sliding all over the place. It's gonna keep your foot healthy and safe. This is an amazing shoe for under pronation, definitely. It's got a little bit of arch support. It's great for plantar fasciitis. It's great for knee pain. It's gonna offer you all of the support in all of the right places. It's got that leather top, so it's a little bit waterproof. You don't have to worry about, if you take this out in the rain, that it's going to be completely ruined. They are very high quality. They last for years and years and years. These are great for running on the road, running on, off-road, cross training. Like I said, any sort of job where you're on your feet all day, you need this support, and this is a great shoe for you. It's got the gel cushion in the heel, so especially if you are a heavy heel striker, this is going to help you redistribute that weight, bounce back without putting too much pressure there and causing you any sort of pain and discomfort. You're gonna love these shoes. You're gonna feel the difference immediately, and you're gonna feel not just the difference in your feet, but probably your knees and your back too. Go ahead and put these in your cart. You'll be happy that you did.